of the mountains swallow the sky as you're traveling through the valley, as you're speeding still far behind. In the valley where lovers climb, have you ever seen the locust lean his wings right after the plague, like descending of a dark cloud to the sunlight, to in the day, to kill the sunlight and in the day it will follow the rain. Have you ever seen the quiet indecision of a man as he's standing by the fire with an eager friend in his hand? Will he ever quite understand that it will follow the rain? I said, oh my friend, it will follow the rain. Have you ever seen your baby being caught by the lonesome wind and the whistling round the corner telling you they have let her in? Separation can now begin. It will follow the rain. I said, oh my friend, it will follow the rain. I said, oh my friend, it will follow the rain. Have you ever seen the far side of the mountain swallow the sky as you travel through the valley, as you're speeding still far behind? Through the valley where lovers climb, where the children will blink and sigh, they have caught a lightning strike in a jar just to watch it die. In the valley where lovers climb,